Hey everybody, welcome back to Jones Edition. Today I'm collabing with my other channel, Jeep Edition. So if you haven't been to that channel, check it out. I'll have the link down below. Eventually all my product reviews are going to be on that channel, Jeep Edition, so check that out. But today I have some tube doors for my Jeep Wrangler JK. This is a 2013 Jeep Wrangler JK. Got these from the LED Factory Mart. They're made by Exceed Fabrication. Pretty cool little stickers they sent with us. Everything came in that you need to install these. Awesome instructions. There's a QR code that sends you right to a YouTube video to help you install these. It took me probably 20 minutes maybe to do all the latches on this thing. I'm gonna take the Jeep doors off and put these on and then tighten up all these screws because I left them kind of loosey-goosey, so it will go on just a little bit easier. Keep in mind that some of your doors might actually have a bolt on the bottom of these hinges. That's how they come factory. I take my doors off the Jeep all the time. Just be careful, you might have a bolt here. All right, start installing these tube doors here one at a time. I do have to tighten them up a little bit as I go. Shouldn't be a big deal. I'm hoping everything lines up with all the factory hardware. I have all the door straps in my pocket. You don't want to forget this. That's how you get dents. I'm gonna have to adjust this knob over here quite a bit. All right, I took the knob off first. I got it closed. I'm gonna tighten it there and tighten these up real good. And then I'm gonna put the rubber stop back on because this is the setting I need to have it on right here. All these tools were provided. The best one I've installed yet. The key is to get the hinges set right. They can adjust this way, which causes the back latch to line up properly. So that takes a little bit of getting used to. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but there's 3 slots right here. The middle one I noticed worked great for the back, so it doesn't hit the front door. The front door can actually close and hit if you use the furthest spot. The shortest spot only limits the door real tight, which would be fine for kids because I'm worried about cars next to us. But I think the second notch on this is the best notch for the back. All right, now that we get the doors on, let's go ahead and get these mirrors put on. There's spots on the driver's side and passenger side, 4 bolts, got a little plate to put on the inside as well. Shouldn't be too difficult. There is a rubber gasket that you have to put on to make sure, just reduce vibration and wear and tear, but that's pretty easy to slide on. So it goes right here. Once you get the top 2 bolts on, it's pretty easy from there. All right, we're fully installed now. We get the tube doors on with the mirrors. This is gonna be a huge help. I still have a mount for my old mirrors here that I'll use occasionally. If I don't have the tube doors on, I'll still need mirrors, so I'll have to leave those on. It's gonna make it a lot easier to have mirrors. Just slide these doors on, ready to go. I love the way they look. I can't wait to get them out and try them out. The kids are gonna love them. But I'll have the link down below in the description for where you guys can find these on the LED Factory Mart. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them in the comments down below. I appreciate you guys watching as always. I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya. doors.